On your packet, you will flip to page 33. Right on Reader Holes, Chapter 6, Kate Barlow Loves the Onion Man, page 33 to 35. Let's continue. Against the law for a black man to kiss a white woman, Sam would have to be punished. He would have to be killed. Kate loved Sam, the Onion Man. To punish Kate, Trout Walker and the other men burned the schoolhouse. Kate was mad. She wanted to be with Sam. They tried to run away together on Sam's boat. Trout's boat was faster and caught up to them. The townspeople killed Sam. Kate Barlow killed the sheriff and ran away. She was gone for 20 years. Kate became an outlaw. She robbed banks. She even robbed Stanley's great-great-grandfather. When she returned to Green Lake, the water in the lake was all gone. The lake was dry. It had not rained for 20 years. She found a cabin and buried her treasure. Her treasure was the money she had stolen from the banks. One day, Trout found Kate. He wanted her treasure. Kate would not give it to him. Then a yellow-spotted lizard bit her and she died. Kate loves Sam, the Onion Man. Let's move over to today's activity. Please complete the sentence. To punish Kate, Trout Walker and the other man burned what? The schoolhouse or the boat? Circle your answer. Next question. Kate Barlow killed the sheriff and ran away or stayed in Green Lake? Choose the correct answer choice. Her treasure was the she had stolen from the banks. A. Apples or B. Money. Upon completion, please upload this to Teams. If not, you could send it to me and I'll upload it myself. Thank you.